The holy city of Tirupati, a spiritual center for millions, is now at the center of a ghee adulteration controversy. Allegations of animal fat and fish oil in ghee supplied to the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams has triggered a bitter clash between Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. As the controversy deepens, YSRCP Chief Jagan Reddy has announced a visit to the Tirupati temple this Sunday. Jagan has called for a statewide temple rituals to atone for Chief Minister Naidu's allegation of adulteration in Tirupati laddus. The decision by Jagan comes days after Naidu questioned why the former Chief Minister never visited the Tirupati temple even though his father Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy offered prayers there.
Person belonging to other religions, whether it be Christianity or Islam, if they intend to have a darshan of Lord Balaji, then they have to sign a declaration stating that they have faith in him. So, all these years, as Chief Minister, Jagan Reddy never signed.
The BJP has demanded that Jagan Reddy, a practicing Christian, should declare his faith before entering the shrine, a protocol for all non-Hindu visitors.
Mr. Jagan wants to come to Tirupati. How can he be allowed? Unless until he wouldn't not write it and give it to us, that he accepts the Hindu Dharma, undertaking, he should not be allowed to even come to Tirupati. Because he has never outspoken on this.
This is one of the senior leaders there who's arrived here, and they're also going to go ahead and meeting with the executive officer here at the TTD administrative block, where they're going to go and file a petition as well, demanding that for Jagan Mohan Reddy to arrive here, he has to file this affidavit that has to be filed by every non-Hindu at Alapiri footsteps just before entering into Tirumala, without which the BJP will take forth its protest, and that too in a massive manner.
After Pawan Kalyan's 11 temple penance, BJP leader Madhvi Lata visited Tirupati with a group of seers seeking to restore the temple's sanctity in the eyes of the devotees.
प्रायश्चित करना है मुझे, उनसे मांगना है भीख. अब तो जागृत हो जाइए भगवान, बहुत हो गया इनके हरकत. जो भी किया उसने, let there be a very serious investigation.
Former Attorney General Sudhakar Reddy too faced flack over his controversial remarks about the prasadam.
It is nonsensical. The price of the pig oil is about 1400 rupees a kilo. 319 రూపాయలు కిలోకి 1400 రూపాయలు అడల్టరేట్ చేస్తారండి. నువ్వు రాగి అని చెప్పి అమ్ముతున్నావు, రాగి బిందె అమ్ముతున్నావు. రాగి బిందెలో గోల్డ్ అడల్టరేట్ చేస్తారా, మిక్స్ చేస్తారా? మరి గోల్డ్ దానిలో రాగి కలపొచ్చు.
Jagan has rejected allegations of adulteration during his tenure and accused Naidu of misleading public and stirring up a needless controversy.
Tirumala Tirupati Venkateshwara Swami